Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to go about your assignments in terms of Unit 8, Action Research. My name is Teodora Ivancheva, and I'm the Unit Lead of Action Research. So we are going through the assignment brief, which is relevant for the June 23 cohort. Generally, the assignment brief lives on Moodle, and this is the assessment tile. So please go there if you need any further information. So the summative submission date is the 14th of April, 2024. So an important date. Make sure that you stick to this date so that you're not overdue. Another important thing which goes with the assignment submission is the student's declaration. So please don't forget that. Simply sign and read the information prior to signing. So let's focus on the tasks themselves. Basically, there are 3 tasks with this unit. Task number 1, or task A, as the assignment brief says, is related to your proposal. So you know that action research is related to doing research in education in general. So the first task is related to what exactly you would like to research, what your topic is, and the shape we want you to use for this particular task is an infographic. For further details, again, go to Moodle. You have a sample infographic and you should have gone through it with your lecturer during class studies. Good news about the infographic and this particular task is that there is no limit required. We have decided that we shouldn't restrict you to any word count since we expect you to produce an infographic rather than a word file test. So focus on the details about your research. Tell us a little bit about the topic itself, what research question you're going to address, what kind of literature review and resources you have discovered for this particular topic, and what kind of research methods and research tools you're going to employ. Task B, or task 2, is what we call here an evaluating account. A little bit more about this particular task. I would say the good news here is that it amounts to 1,500 words, which translated into page number is between 3 or 6 standard pages, depending on the spacing. So 3 pages would amount to a single spacing, or 6 about double. But the important part is to be focused on the word count. Make sure that this is characters with spaces. So this is what your Word document will tell you. And this is plus minus 10% in terms of fewer words or more words. And according to my calculation, this is minus or plus a paragraph, not more than that. For further details about the content, please, again, refer to the assignment brief itself. This is not the focus of this video. All the details are written here, plus the learning outcomes that you need to address. What you have here suggested is a good structure of the evaluating account. So make sure that you have a title page or a title slide plus acknowledgements. This is where we say who has helped us and who we want to acknowledge in terms of supporting us during our journey. So when we move on to the main body, we've got an introduction where you basically state what the whole evaluating account contains. Then you've got a brief section where you do your literature review. Make sure that the resources that you use here are relevant to the topic itself and are recent. A good example here is, for example, if you decide to talk about digital marketing, and the focus of your teaching group is digital marketing, make sure that you don't have resources dated back to the 1950s, for example. That would be relevant information. So going about the methodology, tell us how you're going to collect data, what exactly your focus is, whether you're designing questionnaires or interview respondents or do some observations or a combination of the three to triangulate the data. Then you need to have a section where you analyze your data and present your results. Of course, we are happy to see what conclusions you can draw based on your evaluating account and what recommendations you can suggest here. Don't forget your references. Make sure that the difference here between references and bibliography is that we expect your references and resources to be cited all across your evaluating account. And then moving on to task 3 or task C, we are talking here about a reflective account. So basically, action research as a tool is a reflective practice in general. So in in task C, what we would like to see is what experience you have gained throughout conducting your action research in your classroom settings. What went well, what didn't go well, and if you were to do the respective, well, I would say investigation again, what changes would you make? In other words, what you have learned from your action research and your evaluating account. If you have any further questions or if you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact your lecturer for any further questions. What I can say at this stage is happy researching. Thank you very much for watching this video.